Hey guys, what's up? I hope you guys are having a great day because I had a little brainstorming session and because that's apparently what YouTubers do, And I got to thinking, what if we took an RC radio transmitter, you're just your typical radio, use that to control another radio and use that to control an airplane. So it'd be a radio to control a radio to control an airplane. I wondered if it would work or not, so I thought let's give it a shot. So let's get to it. Alright, we are almost ready to test out the RRC airplane. Yeah, remote controlled airplane. Yeah, we're almost ready to test it out. It's almost set up. But before we go and fly it and all that stuff, if you like the content you're seeing and you want to see more of it, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. That will help me out so much. Do it. But yeah, enough of that. Let's go test out the RRC airplane. Man, I'm still having trouble with that. Alright, we finished the RRC remote. Got 4 servos on like a piece of foam board, holding everything together. There it is, it's moving. Yeah, I'm not going to touch the throttle too much because it kind of flings apart. But yeah, that's just going to sit there, do its own little thing while I fly this, controlling that, controlling this. It's kind of cool actually. Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness, it's actually working. That's actually pretty neat. That's actually really cool. The throttle is a bit sketchy. I forgot to put on a screw on the servo head. And yeah, it'll fling off sometimes. But look at it, it's working. Which, I mean, honestly, I don't know why it shouldn't work. Except for my carelessness of putting it together, but it is pretty cool. Watch, it'll just wreck into us. I'm not able to go full throttle because the servo cannot travel far enough. Alright, watch, everything will just fall apart as it's going towards us. And the cameraman is doing acrobatics right now. Alright, we'll do a trick, I guess. Maybe it'll crash and that'll be cool. And I went into the trees a bit. Alright, here we go. Oh, that is not gonna work. No, no, no. We're gonna go the other way. Oh, that's not working. No! Yeah, I'm sure you can hear it. It can't really go full throttle. Ooh, there's a bird. Bird. Come here, bird. Yes! Ha! Faster than the bird. I shouldn't do that. Actually. Sorry, bird. Oh, now it's chasing me. Oh my goodness. Alright, so it can work. A remote controlled airplane. I didn't need to put the rudder on, since I'm just using a Levon controlled airplane. But pretty neat. It's kind of weird seeing a remote just control itself, kind of. Alright, we'll land it right here. Beautiful. That went way better than I expected. Alright, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to help me out, go ahead and click the like button. That'll help me get my videos out there in front of more people so they can see them. And be sure to hit the subscribe button. If you like these videos, just subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.